What's up, guys? It's Emily, and today I want to talk to you about how to confirm a date. So, first of all, I recommend that when you ask a woman on a date, you give her 3 days notice. This is true in the pre-corona world if you're inviting a woman on a date in person. If you're inviting her on a virtual date, maybe you don't need as much notice, but 3 days notice for an in-person date is recommended because you want to give her enough time so that she's not already booked. And you don't want to give her too much time so that she forgets about the date and then flakes on you. So 3 days notice is the perfect amount of time. You want to call her whenever you can because nobody calls anymore, so it's super sexy when a guy has the courage to do it, and give her a TDL, the time, date, location of the date. Once she says yes, great. You don't want to talk a lot between the time she says yes and the time you actually go on the date. You want to create some mystery and sexual tension. But what you want to do is to confirm the date either the day of or the day before, depending on what time the date is taking place. And when you confirm it, you want to be really commanding in your language. So you want to say something like, hey, I'm going to get there a little bit early. How do you take your coffee? That's a confirmation of the date that's not like, are you still up for meeting today? Or are we still meeting today? Saying something like that is really passive, and it's actually more of a feminine energy, which makes her feel icky. So you're going to confirm the date using something like logistical, like, hey, just so you know, this coffee shop has weird parking, but if you go around the back and hang a left, there's a free parking lot that's got a ton of spaces. See you there at 2. Something like that, where it's like low key under the radar. You're still confirming the date, but you're not like, are we still getting together? You don't want to be pathetic. You want to sound commanding. You want to assume the sale, assume she's going to see you. What woman wouldn't want to see you? Of course she's going to meet with you. You invited her on a date using a TDL. You explain why it was a compelling location to meet you, or a compelling activity or whatever. And now you're just confirming because of course she's going to meet you. You don't have to wonder about that. So be commanding in your language. Use a logistical reason why you're confirming. Hey, just wanted to let you know, when you get in the door, you got to go left down the hallway and down the stairs. Something logical, something logistical. That will help it to seem confident and commanding and sexy and masculine, and not passive and feminine and weak and desperate. Hope that helps.